All right, let's have a look at the question. The question is saying that it has exactly, right now if you look, it has exactly two of the three letters that are same. Now what can be the possibility? We are total having 11 letters. Hmm? So exactly two should be same. Now it means the scenario that we can discuss is with S and I only. How it will happen? Let's see. The chances are that you may get the first S, yes, second S, and the third letter you can get any one of them from the remaining 9 letters. So I will say not S. This is first possibility. Second possibility that might be here, it can be maybe you will get the first S and the third S, but the second one not an S. Third possibility with S, it might be that you can get second and third as S, okay? And the first one will not be an S. This is scenario with S because it is repeating more than one time, so I can choose from that one. Or another possibility is with I. If I will take the possibility with I, what can be the possibility with I? Because you have to choose exactly two same letters. Three same letter you cannot choose. So that is why the possibility is first and second will be I, but third will be not I. If it is not I, it means it is any one of these. Okay, then what is the possibility? Same. First is I, third is I, but the second is not an I. Then third chance is that because total, uh, if two same you are choosing, so third possibility can be second and the third can be I, but the first will not be I. Now, if you are taking that one, suppose I have here. Now understand this concept. If you understand this one, then I will move next. Okay, please confirm. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if for example you are choosing first S, what will be the probability of the first S? S are how many? 2 out of total 11. Multiply, but you are not replacing. When you will choose a second S, now how many S are left? 1 only out of 10. Time the third one. The third one, when it is not S, how many letters are remaining? It might be any one from these 9. It might be 9 out of remaining 9. One chance, okay? Or if you go for the second one, it will be again same. What will be for this one? It will be 2 over 11 time. When you will choose this one, not S, it will be for not S, what will be the situation? It might be any one of these. Yes, you can say it can be any one of them, as these are three situations and they are similar. Each one is just repeating. So instead of writing each one individually, it's best to multiply it with 3, because second time when it will repeat, ultimately what will happen? They will just change the position. Just the position will be changed. Now what will happen in the second case? It will be 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. And in the third case, what will be happen? What will happen? No, it will be 1 over 9. So look, the top letter and the bottom letter are same in multiplication. So that is why instead of repeatedly writing them, there are three chances to write outside 3. That is what I did. And now if you will go for I, or mean plus, for I will be same. When you will choose the first I, it will be 3 out of 11. And when you will choose the second I, now it will be 2 out of 10. And when you are not choosing an I, now the remaining, it will be 9 out of, this time it will be now remaining, sorry, other than I are 8 now, it will be 8 over 9. And it will repeat 3 times. So that is why I multiply it with 3.
Sir, why it's not 8 over 8? because we're left only with 8.
The reason is how many I are? I are 3. So you are choosing
Yes.
other than I, not I. Not I are how many? 8. And remaining are 9. Because when you are choosing the first I and second I, but the third should not be I. So 3 I separate, the remaining are 8 letters. But total are still, because you only selected 2. That is the condition, because the question is saying it should be exactly 2 of the 3 letters. Mean you can't choose all 3 same letter. 2 can be same, but 3 cannot be same. This is its meaning.
Sorry, sir, I'm still confused. But my point, why sir put the denominator as 9? I cannot understand it.
Yes, the reason for putting the denominator 9 is because look, you choose 2I, total I are 3. If now you cannot choose an I, it should be not I. Other than that, how many letters are now remaining that you can choose? You can choose out
8.
of them 8. 8 of total how many? 9. Because you selected only 2I. You did not selected
Oh,
3I. Okay. So that is
okay.
why remaining are you selected 2I. Maybe this one, but still this one is inside. You did not selected it. It's quite confusing, but when you will practice with such question, there will be no issue, inshallah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you can just solve it. Can anyone solve it, please? This is for, because I just write it here because it will be easy for me. Otherwise, we are talking about that one in this part, okay? I will write it here so you don't get confused even. It is 3 over 2 over 11 time. It was what? Yeah, 1 over 10 into 9 over 9. Plus it was 3 into 3 over, if I'm having it here, it was 3 over 11. Yes, 3
3
over
over 11.
into 2 over 10 into 8 over 9. So all that when I calculated, so I will get after simplification 1 over 5. So it means this is the probability. The third one is all 3 letters are different. Which mean what is the chance? We found the probability of all 3 same. Yes. What was the probability of all 3 letters same? Did we get? No, all 3 letters same we did not find. Yes. Maybe here, if it will make my work easy. But still we did not. Yes, we found here. All 3 letters are same. The probability of all 3 are same is 165. So if the probability of all 3 same is 165, so this time the question is saying all 3 letters are different. Then what it should be? 1 minus, because total probability is 1. When all 3 are not same, minus 1 over 165. Okay. And then also we did here one more thing. Let me say it was somewhere here we get, yes. And the other chance is when all 3 are not same. What can be one thing? Because there are 2 possibilities. When we are saying all 3 letters are different, what can be chances when all 3 letters are different? It means one of the chances that all 3 are same. Yes. Or this condition can be 2 of 3 are same. 2 of 3 are same. Because if you are looking for a statement opposite to this one, when all 3 are different, When all three are different, so what is the possibility? Possibility is all three are same or two of three are same. Then all three will be uh, different. So these are the two possibilities. Now, for a situation, if for example, I say the probability of A is 1, then the probability of not A will be what? 1 minus probability of A, yes? Now I'm saying the total probability is always 1. I have out of that, the situation is all three same is 165 minus, also we found the probability for this one, 2 of the 3 are same, that is 1 over 5. So I will subtract 1 over 5, calculate this one. Because every possibility other than all three same will be this one. Now calculate it, please.
Shouldn't it be addition? Like 1
You
over
want,
165?
okay, then you can put the bracket. It can be like this one, because minus 1 minus these two. If it is or, you can
So
say it.
the answer is 131 over 165.
165. Okay. So if you don't want to put the bracket, then you can subtract both of them. But I got it because from the or you are saying it should be addition. So obviously you can use that. Same answer will be same. It will not affect. Circle theorem. Remember the rules of circle theorem. Question number 5. A, B, C, D are the points on the circle. A, B, C, D. So it means A, B, C, D is making the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Given angle, find the angle, giving the reason of each. Angle x. Where is angle x? This angle x you have to find. Okay. Let's see. Angle x is made by the chord DC on the circumference. Chord DC is also making an angle at the center. So angle at the center is double than the angle at the circumference. So it means x will be half of this one. So I will say x will be equal to 162 over 2, which is 81 degree. Why? The reason is angle at the center is double than the angle at circumference. That theorem we are using. Because look, at the center is made by DC and the circumference is also made by DC. So I will say angle at the center is double of angle at circumference. Now what about angle Y? Now angle Y, where is angle Y? Yes, it is here. So very simple alternate segment theorem. Look, the chord is making with the tangent. So it should be equal to the angle in the opposite segment. It should be equal to this one. Because same chord is making at the circumference x and this chord is making with the tangent. That is alternate segment theorem. Remember this one. If this is, there is a chord, the chord is making some angle with the tangent. So this angle and the angle anywhere made by this chord on the circumference. I mean this angle and this angle will be same. So now this is made by the chord DC with the tangent. So same is this one. So if this is 81, so this will also be 81. So angle Y is equal to 81 degree because you can just give the reference to alternate segment theorem. Okay, about the angle Z. Now where is angle Z? It will be even quite easy for angle Z. This is angle Z. Now if you know this angle now we know is 81. This angle is 42. Yes. And what about this one? This angle I have to find. I can do two things. First of all, find this angle. Try to find this angle. And you can do it easily because look, this one you know is 81. This one you know is 42. So this total with the line should be 180. It means what will be this one? 180 minus 42 minus 81. What this angle is? Hmm?
57.
Sorry, 67.
57 degree.
57.
57. Okay, this is 57. It means this angle is 57. Now A, B, C, D is making a cyclic quadrilateral, and you know in cyclic quadrilateral the opposite will make 180. It means this one and this one total should be 180. So if you need only Z, what Z will be? 180 minus 57. That will be 123. So it means Z is 123, and you can write the reason as opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral. First reason is that, yeah, simple, it's enough. No, 3 marks, so 2 reason will be, because 1 mark for this one and the 1 for 2 reason. First reason, you found this angle. How did you find this angle? You find this angle using angles on the straight line property. So you will say angle on a straight line is equal to 180. Then second property you use cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral are 180, and opposite angles on cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degree. So these 2 reasons will be there. A vector. Recently we did vector, and no, it's not vector. These are the parallel lines. Sorry. PQR is a triangle. T is a point on PQR. RQ is parallel to TU. This one and this one are parallel. Explain why triangle PQR is similar to the triangle PUT. For the triangles to be similar, there are 3 conditions for the triangles to be similar. The first thing is, their corresponding angles should be same. I mean, you can say the condition can be that condition, all 3 angles should be same. So in this case, first of all, look here, this angle and this angle are same. Yes, they are equal or not? Because between the 2 parallel lines, when any line cross them, so you know very well, this angle and this angle will be equal. We call them corresponding angles. Yes. So I can say this angle, first of all, angle this PTU, this is the first reason. Okay. You can say angle PTU is equal to angle PRU, because the main line is starting from P. So PRU. And what is the reason for that one? Because they are both corresponding. These lines are parallel, so these angles are corresponding. The reason is corresponding angles. So being corresponding, they will be same. Okay, secondly, now this one and this one will be same. Again, same reason. So you can say PUT angle, PUT is equal to angle PQR. Same reason, both are corresponding because they are between the parallel lines, so corresponding. Okay, third reason, this angle is same for both triangles. We call that common angle. Yes. So angle, I would say, you can say it RPQ or QPR. Angle QPR is common. If it is common, it means it is same for both. So 3 angles are equal. When the 3 angles are equal, so in that situation, what we will say? For this triangle, when 3 angles are same, so we will say these triangles are similar triangles. And the second part is saying PT ratio TR is this one. Find PU ratio PQ. Okay, PT, this is PT. What is given? PT ratio TR. PT ratio TR is 4:3. Between this part is 4, this part is 3. And what you have to do, you have to find PU ratio PQ. Okay, you need to find this ratio, this. Say this ratio is X, this ratio is Y. As the triangles are similar, so for similar triangles, what happens? You know, in the similar triangle, the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. So if we are saying this triangle PQR is similar to the triangle PUT, PQR is similar to the triangle PUT. If they are similar, remember the property of similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. It means I can say the ratio PQ over ratio PU is equal to QR over UT. That will be equal to PR over PT. Okay, we know what is the ratio PR. If I will take PR in total, what will it become? It will become 4 plus 3, 7, yes, because they are in 4 and 3 ratio. So if you take PQ, we have to find the ratio PU ratio PQ, no problem. What will be, I will say it PQ over PU equal to QR. We don't know anything about them. We don't know about the QR, so no need, because all three are equal, you can ignore that. What is PR? PR is 7 over what is PT? PT is 4. So if from that, what you will get, what is the ratio of PQ? It means PQ is 7, PU is 4. So that ratio will become PU 4 ratio 7. So this property of the similar triangle we will use. The ratio of the corresponding sides is equal. And then the area of the triangle PUT is 20 centimeter square. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Area of the triangle is given for this triangle. Now I will erase this work for a while. Area of the triangle, which triangle? Triangle PUT. PUT for this triangle area is 20 centimeter square. And what you have to do, you have to work out the area of the quadrilateral QRTU. QRTU. You have to find the area of this one. First of all, before finding the area of this one, I would find the area of the big triangle, because I have the area of the smaller triangle. I will say let the area of the big triangle, which is PRU, let area of PUT is equal to A1, that is given. I will find the area of the big triangle. What is big triangle? PRU. I will say let area of it is PQR. PQR, right, is A2. And that we have to find. Remember the formula, the ratio of the areas is equal to ratio of the corresponding sides. Now what two corresponding sides are there? If you know, we know the corresponding sides are this one. We know about the PU. What is PU now? PU is 4. And what is PQ? PQ total is, what about the PQ? PQ is 7. So this total is 7, yes? So it means these sides are corresponding. If you will take the ratio of corresponding side, these two corresponding sides you can take. So it will be, you can say, that will be 7 over 4 square. Sorry, A1 over A2. No. As I'm taking from smaller triangle, so PU is 4, it should be 4 over 7. Because corresponding sides we have to take. For big triangle, big side, for smaller triangle, smaller side, this square. So then what will be, if you have to find, you need to find A2, write the value 20 over A2 is equal to 16 over 49. So what will be, cross multiply 16 A2 is equal to 20 into 49. So what will be A2? A2 will be 20 into 49 over 16. Calculate this, please.
61.25.
61.25. Check again.
1 minute, sir.
61.25. I'm getting the same answer.
61.25. Okay. If the 2% are getting the same answer, then it's correct. It is 61.25. Okay, this is A2. It means for this whole big triangle, the area is 61. And we need only for this one. From this one, I will minus this. The remaining will be this. So it means what will be the area of the quadrilateral? So if I need the area,
41.25.
yes, you will subtract that 20. Area of QRTU will be 61.25 minus 20. That will be 41.25 centimeter square. A tricky question, but it's not difficult at all. I think I will stop here. So next, when we will do our past paper, I will start from this one. But before leaving, please listen me 1 second. 1 second.